Magnetomotive force. Magnetomotive force is something that is new for us to learn now. Magnetomotive force is the force of attraction that happens because of the magnetic field lines. It's the force that pulls two Thomas the Tank Engine trains together, or the force that makes them oppose. And as we have learned, the definition of an amp is related to the magnetic force. It's once the force gets to a certain level inside a vacuum with two wires with current going in the same direction, a certain 1 meter apart, then that's the definition of an amp. So that force between wires or between magnets that is created because of the magnetic flux is related to amps. So, because magnetism is related to electric magnetism. And this is one way we can describe the relationship between the two. The relationship between the two is pretty complex. It has to do with spins of electrons and in their orbits, which we will get to later. We will know we will not get to a point of being able to explain it very well. Nobody really can because it's all theoretical anyway. So if Richard Feynman can't, then I can't. Magnetomotive force, though, we can call that M sub F. We can call that MMF. You can call it whatever you want. But I want to tell you that magnetomotive force is um, like a voltage in an electric circuit. It's what is necessary to produce the flux. The flux acts like a current in a magnetic circuit. It has to be induced by current has to be induced by voltage. Magnetic flux has to be induced by magnetomotive force. It acts kind of like voltage. It's a force, but it's actually not measured in newtons. It's a direct result of the movement of the current.